We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your scanner glass, and I'm working with an HP OfficeJet Pro 5740. So first thing first, lift up your little hatch here for your scanner. You want to get your favorite glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. Put the glass cleaner directly on the cloth. You never want to put it onto the glass. Alright, then go ahead and clean the glass. Sometimes you might see things like whiteout or even pen marks, so you may need to clean it more than once. If you're seeing defects when you're using the top part, your ADF, you want to focus more on the small strip of glass that's right here. If you use your flatbed more often and that's where you're seeing your defectives, focus on the bigger piece of glass. Once you get that cleaned, you should be good to go. If you're still seeing defects when you're scanning, it may be time to put your printer in for a service. If you guys are in need of any quotes or supplies, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.